Hello friends, this is Jimmy from Can Haven Immigration Canada. This video is regarding Canadian immigration news updates. So let's go into the detail what happened in a week or so. So if you look from the international student perspective, more Canadian universities and colleges have been allowed to welcome international students because there is a big drop in international student enrollment and increase in domestic enrollment. So the government, provincial government and the federal government is working with the majority of the DLIs, all the designated learning institutions who have the plan to put students in place in case the pandemic hit them really hard, or when they are coming from outer countries, what are their quarantine plans and all that one. If they have been approved by the provincial government, then all those institutions, universities are allowed to get more international students. So this is a good news for all of you who are waiting to land into Canada for their latest semester, like January intake or March or May or September one. So this is a good news. Okay, the next update that's coming from Prince Edward Island, PNP. If you look at their PNP draw, they have invited 195 new immigration candidates. They are from Express Entry, Labor Impact, and Business Impact candidates. So, out of 195, the most of the invitation 174 went to the Express Entry and Labor Impact candidate. Business Impact candidate took home the remaining 21 uh, nominations, as long as they had the minimum point threshold that was 85 in this one. So that was a good news again. So another 200 candidates, they are one step closer to get their Canadian immigration or the Canadian permanent residency. Next big news that's coming from Manitoba. Uh, if you look at the province of Manitoba, they have held their biggest draw of the 2020. As of now, they have issued close to 5,000 invitations to potential newcomers in 2020. In the last draw that took place on 17th of December, they have invited 419 immigration candidates to apply for the provincial nomination. Now everybody is looking for what's the score. If we look at skilled worker in Manitoba, 329 letter of advice have been issued with the minimum score of 375. This is one of the lowest score I've seen so far. Skilled worker overseas, 50 applicants have been given the nomination with the minimum score of 706, and international education stream got 40 nomination. As you guys all know, if you have studied in Manitoba, you do not need any minimum score. So that's the good news again. Another close to 400 plus candidates, they are one step closer for their permanent residency in Canada. Now, the again another important news that is coming from the parent and grandparent sponsorship immigration lottery draw. That draw has been extended for another month. It will be held now next year in 2021 in the month of January. The government is saying they are not able to remove all the duplicate entries and were not sure that they have done all their due diligence before they give on out the numbers. So that's why they're still working on this because of the lack of manpower, restriction, how many people can work in one office. All those things are currently at the highest level in Canada in each province. So that's why these things are taking longer than normal. Supposed to be held this week between December 15 and 20th, but as the things are not in control, so they are expecting hopefully in second or third week of January, if not before that one. So that was a big news for all of you who guys are waiting for their parents and grandparents sponsorship draw that coming. There will be 10,000 application will be included in this draw, and the next intake will be starting in end of January or starting of February. They haven't given us the date yet. In that one, they'll be taking 30,000 more application for parents and grandparents sponsorship draw. Now let's move to BC Tech Pilot Program draw. This is also one of their PNP program. Invitations to apply for the provincial nomination were issued to the foreign tech worker and international student through the BC PNP program. They have issued only 92 invitations this far. As you guys all know, this is a weekly program. So every week, almost every week, BC gives some invitation to the candidate who fall into those 29 occupations in demand categories. The candidates selected in this draw, they all need a minimum provincial score of 80, and they were all from the Skills Immigration Skilled Worker Program, Skill Immigration International Graduate, Express Entry BC Skilled Worker, and Express Entry BC International Graduate stream. So these were the few updates that is coming from the Canadian immigration side for last week or so. As I mentioned before, that Canada has issued more than 100,000 ITAs for the first time in the history, 100 and close to 104,000 so far. So we still have a 1.5 week to go, and hopefully we can see one more draw in express entry. That will take it, if they're giving another 5,000, they'll take it close to the 110,000 invitations so far. So these are the few updates that were from the Immigration Ministry or IRCC for the last week or so. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.